Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. You can use your handwritten signature. You can use as brush in Photoshop. First write signature on a paper. Then you can take picture with your mobile camera. Save it and transfer to computer. You know how to transfer that JPG file. I mean transfer it through File Manager. Or attach your cell phone with computer with wire and transfer. You can use scanner, scan that paper with signature. And save it in your computer. Open it in Photoshop. As you can see signature. So, we can use the signature as brush. Let's get started. Layer is locked by default when you open your document. Click on this icon to unlock layer. Then create a blank layer above document with signature. Select an active layer of signature. Go to select and click on color range. Value is set at 200 by default. Reduce value up to 90 for fuzziness. Click on white area of document to select white color. Then move slider of fuzziness all the way to right to make value 200. Then press OK. It will select white area of document. But we need to select signature. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert selection. Now only signature is selected. Make sure flow is 100%. And foreground color is set to black. Or press D to make default foreground and background colors. Select an active blank layer. Then press Alt plus Delete. It will paste your signature on blank layer. Now we can convert it into brush. Go to Edit and click on Define Brush Preset. It will ask brush name. Name it whatever you like. Suppose I name it signature, then press OK. It will make your signature as a brush. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Let me remind you, amount of flow should 100%. Click on document and see your signature is a brush now. You can reduce size of brush accordingly. And change color for brush which is signature. Then give a stroke on document. I did it in red color, or choose blue color. And give a stroke on document. So, you can use your handwritten signature as brush in Photoshop. I hope you like this way to convert your handwritten signature into brush. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.